Hey YouTube, it's me Faheem and well today in this amazing tutorial we are going to talk about how to downgrade from iOS 12 beta to iOS 11.4 complete process with the guides. So basically if you are running iOS 12 beta there are a lot of bugs which you don't like and you don't want iOS 11 for now like until the official release comes or any beta which doesn't have that much of bugs. So you are at the right place. So you just have to do is guys, here's an article which is related to downgrading from iOS 12 to 11.4 with the complete process. So first of all guys, you'll have to do is like how to downgrade from iOS 12. So there are basically two methods. The one method is from like updating and the second is like completely flashing your phone and reinstalling the iOS 11.3 or 11.4 whichever Apple sign in. So now the steps are, as you can see, I will show you. So first of all you have to do is guys, once you are at here at the post, just click on this download button which says IPSW. So you have to get an IPSW file for yourself. So first of all, once you have click on that, you will be redirected to this page right over here. From here just select whichever version of iPhone you have, like if you have an iPhone X or whatever. So I have an iPhone 5s, so I will click on that, and once you guys click on that, a file will be downloaded. It's around 2.5 gigabytes for me and it's taking like forever to download. So I will cancel this for now, and as you can see right away, once you have downloaded and it's completed, now the second step you'll have to do is like, as you can see, let me just show you on my phone. I am running iOS 12. So basically I'm not facing any problems on iOS 12 because I don't use messaging app. So as you can see right over here, iOS 12 16A5288Q. So here's the number of that version. So now basically many of you users must be facing the problem where you are sending messages and you are unable to send the messages, like the delivery failed or whatever, and solution for that is guys, just eject your SIM card and again reinsert it and your problem will be solved. Or if you, and this will basically occurs when you are like, when your phone suddenly restarts or you are like 0% battery and your phone died, and once you restarted your phone you will get that error. So the solution is like I told you, eject the SIM card and reinsert it and everything will be good. This is not a permanent like problem, it will be fixed in the beta 1. I hope Apple will figure out this problem and they will fix it as soon as possible. So now the second thing guys you'll have to do is, if you don't want to lose your data or whatever, you just have to do is open up iTunes, click on that phone icon. As you can see, mine is 5S. So now basically the thing is, if your automatically backup is on like iCloud, just click on this computer and backup now. So just hit that. Once your backup is completed guys, and now you'll have to do is just uh, once your backup is completed and you have downloaded the IPSW file, the second step is like, where the first step is completed, connected, the second step, yeah, so the third step for you is like to enter into the recovery mode. The recovery mode is really easy. You just have to press the power button and the home button both together for like 15 seconds. Just restart your phone, press the power button for 15 seconds, release the power button after 15 seconds, still pressing the home button for 10 seconds. And once you have done that guys, you will be in the recovery mode and you will get this image, like this type of thing on your phone. So once you have done that guys, now the fourth step, when restoring an update option shows on Mac, choose restore will wipe your device and install a latest non-beta version of iOS. So you don't want to do that. So that's why we have downloaded the IPSW file guys. So now the basically you have to do is like go to your iTunes once your file is downloaded and press the command button on your Mac, and on Windows press shift. So once press that and hit the check for updates. So mine, it won't work for me. I am not in the recovery mode right now. Like I told you, I don't want to update my iOS or downgrade my iOS 12 to iOS 11 because I really like iOS 12. I don't use like the messaging. I only use iMessage, so it's really handy for me. And iOS 12 is really fast. So once you have done that guys, the process will take around 15 minutes to 10 minutes depending on your like PC configuration and the lightning cable. and also your phone. So once you have done that, just restore that and everything will be back to normal. You will be downgraded from iOS 12 to iOS 11. Now the second step is the complete, like how the stuff uninstall beta and with recovery mode. So as you can see now, there the second option is still the same. Just click on the download button, download the firmware from here, and once you are here, just go to the iTunes, and you have like two options. If you have downloaded the IPSW, that's really good, so you don't have to wait for like 2-3 hours until it's downloaded or whatever. So you just have to do is just click on the command button or the shift button on Mac, click on restore, and once you are restore, a window will pop up. Just select your IPSW in the download section or wherever you store it, and select that and hit OK and just leave it. And in after 15 minutes, everything will be wiped up, and there will be no data. Remember that, guys. So still make backup for your iPhone, and once you have done that, just restore the backup and you will be all good. So that's it for now, guys. And whenever I will reinstall the iOS 11.4 on my phone, I will really make a video for that, and I will show you how it like really happens in the real life. And but for now, this article is really helpful. You can just read and follow the steps, and you will be able to downgrade from iOS 12 to iOS 11. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Also like this video. Bye.